Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing and acting immediately. Back up the files and snapshot the environment so you can revert if needed. Next, locate exactly where the transparent box appears, on a page, modal, iframe, or third-party widget, because that determines your attack vector. Open DevTools and inspect the element. Note computed styles, inherited rules, and overlay sources. Once done, save those findings and capture a screenshot so you can compare before and after changes. You now diagnose the core CSS and layering conflicts. Start by checking opacity, background color, pointer events, and mix blend mode values because small numbers or transparent colors often cause the issue. Then verify z-index and stacking contexts created by position, transform, or will change. These alter how layers render. Temporarily disable suspected rules to isolate the culprit and switch to incognito to rule out extensions. As you test, document which toggle fixes the box. This tells you whether to change properties or restructure markup. You finish by applying targeted fixes. Prefer setting a solid background color with RGBA rather than reducing parent opacity, and adjust pointer events or mix blend mode only if needed. If layering persists, rebuild the stacking context, move the element or modify position and z-index, and retest interactions across browsers. Once done, clear caches and verify on another device. If it still fails, check external scripts, cross-origin iframes, and hardware acceleration settings. These often cause stubborn transparent overlays. One tip: disable GPU compositing to see if rendering is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.